Have you ever wondered if we could live on Mars? This intriguing question has sparked countless imaginations and spurred numerous scientific inquiries. It's not a simple thought experiment given the vast distances we're talking about here. Mars orbits the Sun at a distance ranging from a staggering 54.6 million to 401 million kilometers away from our home planet, Earth. To venture into this expansive void, our spacecraft must achieve something known as escape velocity to break free from Earth's gravitational pull. But that's not all. As we approach Mars, we have to decelerate, slowing down enough to safely enter the Martian orbit. This cosmic voyage isn't a weekend getaway. It takes 6 to 8 months to reach Mars, and the final descent to its harsh and alien surface? A nerve-wracking 7 minutes. Reaching Mars is not a simple task, but the journey is just the beginning. Landing on Mars is another challenge altogether. The Martian atmosphere is thin, making traditional methods such as aerobraking and parachutes ineffective. The surface conditions are harsh, with temperatures ranging from -63 degrees Celsius to -20 degrees Celsius. Dust storms can occur unpredictably, and the radiation levels are significantly higher than what we are accustomed to on Earth. But humans are ingenious species. We've developed innovative solutions to overcome these challenges. NASA's Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter, launched in late July of 2020, are studying the Martian geology and climate. Meanwhile, SpaceX has designed the Starship, a spacecraft with the ambitious goal of ferrying us to Mars. These are just a few examples of how we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, turning science fiction into reality. But it's not just about the technology. Overcoming these challenges requires not just technology, but also a deep understanding of Mars and its environment. Yet, beyond the technology lie important ethical and risk considerations. As we gaze at the red planet, we must ask ourselves, should we even go to Mars? Is it our place to terraform it, to alter its natural state for our own survival? Could our actions inadvertently destroy potential future life forms, extinguishing a spark of life before it even has a chance to ignite? As we contemplate becoming interplanetary inhabitants, we must consider if we can be responsible stewards of Mars. Can we establish law and order, ensuring peace and harmony on a planet that is not our own? These questions do not yield easy answers. They require us to dig deep to evaluate our motives and values. Are we driven by curiosity, ambition, survival, or perhaps a combination of all three? Before we set foot on Mars, we must first tread carefully in our considerations here on Earth. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the intricate technology required to reach Mars, a journey that can stretch from 54.6 million kilometers to a staggering 401 million kilometers away from Earth. We've explored the challenges of landing and surviving on this distant planet, with its thin atmosphere, harsh surface conditions, and high radiation levels. Yet, despite these obstacles, we've seen how scientists and engineers are developing innovative solutions, like NASA's Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter and SpaceX's Starship. But it's not all about technology. We've also considered the serious ethical and risk implications of becoming Martian inhabitants. Indeed, the journey to Mars is filled with challenges and questions that aren't easy to answer. But as we continue to explore our motives and values, we get one step closer to understanding our role in this vast universe. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions about making a home on Mars. Until then, keep wondering and exploring the possibilities.